Hello, friends. Once again, your friend Asif from Lucknow is with you. I welcome you all on my channel, Asif's English and Personality Development. Today, my topic is how to create interest in studies, how to develop concentration while studying. A beautiful topic because we all know it's a very largely spread problem. If you talk to if you talk to parents, guardians, they tell that my child doesn't have interest in studies. Okay, let us understand the problem. See, if occasionally you lose your focus on your studies, it's quite normal. It's quite normal. Every person, irrespective of the age, irrespective of the profession, there are days where we don't want to do work. Okay, so it's quite like health, physical health. All the time we are not fine, hale and hearty. Sometimes you are having throat problem, sometimes we are having headache, and all this. This is a part of the life. But if it is a perennial problem, then yes, it's a challenge. You have to deal with that. You will have to deal with that, otherwise the time will pass very fast, and there can be irreversible losses to your career. Okay, let us understand firstly that it's a basic human nature. Whatever work the person has to do, work, I'm using the word work, people don't like that. Suppose you tell a boy that your work is to play in the field from 10 to 5. This is your work. I'm telling you, my brothers and sisters, after a couple of days, he'll say, I don't enjoy playing now. Give me books. I want to read. It's a basic human tendency. Anything which requires much attention, where we have to put in efforts, where there is a fear of failure, we avoid that. We avoid that. I would like to refer to Dhoni's statement. Before every match, Dhoni asked his players, never think about victory or loss. Win or loss doesn't matter. Just give in your best. Give in your best and forget what is going to happen. That kind of mentality, if you develop, every exercise, every chapter, every subject, whenever you read, you should have just one agenda in your mind. I have to enjoy every line. I have to enjoy every heading. And when you acquire knowledge, you should feel a thrill. You should feel an adventure. Yes, I have completed light. I know about chemical reactions. I know the formula of lead chloride. How good is that? You must counsel yourself that education is as important as the oxygen for life. It is as important as the food, because without knowledge, you must understand, you are like an uncivilized human being. I'm not saying that illiterate people or uneducated people can't progress, but by and large, you see, if you want to progress, particularly in today's scenario, you know that knowledge is required. So, before I proceed, before otherwise I will forget. If any one of you wants to have spoken English classes, grammar classes, interview training classes, personality development classes from me, please take down my number. This is my WhatsApp number, 93350774458. I'm repeating, 93350774458. You can contact me through WhatsApp. at very affordable prices, at very affordable fees. You can have group classes, Google Meet group classes, or personalized 30 minutes classes. And it's my word to you, within 3 months of time, you will be able to speak fluent English. Your vocabulary will be sound, your grammar knowledge will be exhaustive, and your personality will definitely have a positive outlook, and you will look a dashed person. Okay, so I will just in a couple of minutes I will finish this video and I will conclude. What I was saying, we must not consider study as our work. Most of the time people think, students think about in terms of numbers, whether I will be able to secure more than Ramesh, more than Suresh. Forget all these things. I am telling you, this is very detrimental, very dangerous thing. Unhealthy competition. Don't read for the numbers. If you read for the numbers, you are going to get tensed, you are going to get puzzled, you are going to be upset, you will become anxious. Read for knowledge. If you have strong knowledge about chapters, numbers are bound to follow, job is bound to follow. Don't read because you have to get a job. This kind of thinking itself is faulty. Your target, you fix your target that I have to reach there, I have to qualify this exam, qualify this exam. So for that I must have in-depth knowledge from any angle, from any aspect. If the examiner asks, I must be able to handle. That kind of strength I have to develop. This should be attitude, because you know very well so many students get disturbed in this trap. Unhealthy competition is not good. Enjoy the study. And it is a fact that very few percent of meritorious and academically proficient students have inborn inclination for studies. Most of brilliant people, scientists, scholars, ISPCS, they tell that they developed this interest through efforts by making a change in the thought process. It is very much possible. We will keep on talking on this topic because it's a very crucial topic. I will bring in so many aspects. If you, once again, I would like to request you to please visit my channel, Asif's English and Personality Development. 550 videos. All kind of people can draw the pleasure and draw the knowledge out of these videos. If you liked my work, if you liked the communication which I gave right now, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. The name of the channel is ASIFs, ASIF apostrophe S, ASIFs English and Personal Development. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you.